BrightBYTES!
Hey, champ! Welcome back to BrightBYTES, where learning feels easy and fun. Today we'll discuss the 5 W's of addition and a super cool math superpower. So, what is addition?
Addition means joining things together to make more. For example, if you have 3 apples and your friend gives you 2 more apples, you put them all together. And ta-da! You have 5 apples! So, addition is just a fun way to count how many you have in total.
But why do we even need addition?
Without it, we couldn't count runs in cricket, share snacks with friends, or check how much we save at a store.
Okay, but where do we actually use addition?
In schoolwork, games, shopping, and at home, numbers sneak in everywhere.
And when does addition show up in our lives?
All day, every day, from counting plates at breakfast to dividing snacks at night.
And who uses addition?
Kids, parents, teachers, gamers, and rocket scientists. If you use numbers, you are in the club.
Want to know a quick addition trick?
When you add, try making a 10 first. So, how can we easily add 8 plus 6? First, split the 6 into 2 and 4. Add 8 plus 2 to get 10. Then add the 4 to make 14. Easy peasy.
Now, here's a challenge where you have to use the make a 10 trick. Try to find what 9 plus 7 equals. That's it for today, champs! Master addition, and the rest of math gets easier. Next up is subtraction, where numbers shrink instead of grow. To not miss